See that? Let's give this a whirl. You'd have no trouble getting a fire built with that. See that? I don't see the use for it out in the woods. But I do think it's a really good skill to know. I am 54 years old. And I remember when you could buy a wooden match and it said strike anywhere. And you really could strike that wooden match anywhere and get a fire. Anywhere. You could strike it on your thumbnail, your teeth, your zipper, anything. And then a few years ago, they took them off the market. And the only reason I can see that they took them off the market was because of the simpleton people or whoever was misusing it. For whatever reason, I still don't know. But the new wooden matches, they say strike anywhere, but you can't strike them anywhere. You can't strike them on a wood stove. You can't strike them on anything and have them light. So, my thought with this is if you know how to do this, this is ashes out of the wood stove or out of a campfire and a cotton swab. When you're at the cabin, they can't take this away from you. Not if you have a stockpile of cotton swabs. And not if you got a wood stove that's full of ashes. This is a fire method that is excellent for use in a campsite, campfire at the cabin, wood stove in the cabin, or just plain building a fire anywhere around the camp. I think it's too many parts and pieces to use it as a bush tool, or to use it as a woodsman tool out in the woods, when there are a lot better alternatives out in the woods. It's already there, waiting for us. We can go out there and grab them, build a fire, and be on our way. But for this, to show to my grandkids as a magic trick, or just a fun way to build a fire, to show them that there are alternatives, ways of building a fire around the cabin, this is one of them. Ashes and cotton swab. I got this from David West on YouTube. I think he has a heck of a channel, and I pick up lots of tips from him and his channel. This is one of them. Very simple to do, very easy to do. I've heard him say that some people have trouble getting it to go. I don't understand why. It's a very simple technique and works very well. So, thank you for tuning in. to this video, taking time out of your day to watch it. I would greatly appreciate if you would hit the like button, maybe subscribe to the channel if you like it. And I will work on more stuff like this in the North Maine woods of Maine. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.